everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how to block AOL Mail on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Before beginning, let me tell you that, unfortunately, due to limitations on iOS, there is no direct way to block emails from specific sender or domain within the native AOL Mail app on your iPhone. So, if you want to block an AOL Mail on iPhone, you can simply go ahead and mark an email as spam. Open the AOL Mail application from your iPhone and make sure to sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, go to the inbox option and then select an email that is unwanted from an AOL sender. Open up the email that you'd like to mark as spam and click on more, popping right under the email. Now, click on Mark as Spam and you will be able to block unwanted emails. This will move the email to your junk folder and mark the sender as spam. Any future emails from that sender will automatically be directed to the junk folder. So that is the only way you will be able to block an AOL Mail on iPhone. Just go ahead and mark them as spam and you will be able to achieve similar effect as blocking them. So that's a quick wrap up for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.